Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monika. Welcome you all to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make paper rose flowers. So let's get started. So as we are going to make paper rose flower, of course we need paper. So we need a paper and cut it like in a circle. I use this one. You can use the bottle cap also to draw the line and cut it. Then a pencil for marking and a scissor to cut it down and a gum to make it chipku. So after getting a circle shape, we can directly cut it, but if you are new, you can cut it directly in the proper shape. So here we need to draw a line like a mosquito's coil, like this. So draw a shape like this. After that, cut it from where we pointed with the pencils. Like this, you need to cut it.
2,000 years later.
So after cutting, you will got a shape like this, and then the next step is to start rolling from here up to the end, and be careful while cutting the end like this. It should be like this because it is the base of the flower. So don't cut it completely. Then start rolling from the very first. To give it a good shape, just make it like this and keep rolling it up to the end. So it will be like this. Then just lose it. To give it a good shape, you need to lose it like this. Wow, it's turning out beautiful, right? Then the next step. In this step, we need a gum. Just open the cap, go to the center of the flower and use some gum and make it like this. So this is the rose. Our rose is ready.
2,000 years later.
You might be thinking that we don't have color paper. How can we make this? But I have a hack for this. You can use sticky notes if you are having with you. Also, you can use the waste like a wedding paper for making the roses, and another one easily available thing, that is the newspaper. I think newspaper is available with anyone can make it. And after making the roses, how can you use it? You can use it for decoration, and you can also stick it on any card and give it to any. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.